Welcome to Simple Yoga by the River with Irina Bliss. Come to a comfortable standing position, appreciate your surroundings, root the feet, stand tall, lift the heart, lift the crown of the head, roll shoulders back and down, Samastiti, equal standing. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, gaze up, maybe baby back bend, exhale, forward fold. Relax the head, relax the knees, hold on to elbows and let yourself swing gently side to side. Then root the hands, bend the knees, step the left foot back, touch that left knee to the earth, right thigh shifts forward, low lunge. Inhale, sweep the hands to the front thigh, and if you wish, sweep them overhead, gazing up at the palms. Exhale, release the hands back down on either side of the front foot, shift the hips back, right toes can float up, and exhale, let yourself fold over that front leg any amount. Inhale, press that right knee forward, root the hands, curl the back toes under, step back into plank, touch down with the knees, and let the hips sink back to the heels, child pose. Inhale, thread the right arm under the left, let the shoulder release down, breathe into back body. Inhale, now release that right arm back overhead, child pose. Next inhaling breath, press forward coming onto the belly, hands close to the side ribs, elbows to the side body. Inhale, press up a little higher into low cobra. Exhale, come back through table and then downward facing dog. Let yourself cycle out one leg at a time. And then root the heels down to the earth. Next inhaling breath, step the left foot up between the hands, right knee touches down to the earth, left knee sinks forward. Inhale, sweep the hands to the front thigh, and if you wish, overhead, gazing up at the palms. Exhale, release hands on either side of the front foot, hips sink back, left toes can float up, and exhale, fold over that front leg any amount. Inhale, gaze forward, step that left foot back into child pose, relax the head. Next inhaling breath, thread the left arm under the right, left shoulder releases down, breathe into back body. Then inhale, sweep that left arm back overhead and relax into child pose. Inhale, press through, coming forward onto belly, low cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, hips high into downward facing dog. Narrow your stance, soften your knees for comfort. Then inhale, come up onto the toes and tiptoe your feet up towards the hands, gazing up halfway. Exhale, fold. Soften the knees. Ragdoll over the legs. And with the next inhaling breath, let yourself float back up to standing, sweeping the arms overhead, gazing up. Exhale, release hands to heart. And now sweep your arms overhead and interlace your hands behind the head. Exhale into mini half moon, gazing up at the top elbow. Inhaling to center. Exhale, mini half moon, other side, gazing up at the top elbow. Soften the shoulders. Inhale back through center, release the arms to the side. Inhale one last time, sweeping hands down to heart center, acknowledging your own unique spirit. One hand to heart, one hand to belly, thanking your dear body, thanking the day. Namaste. May you enjoy the day with an open heart and mind. Aloha.